Clock runs out of time, leaving the daily grind behind. In our wide and gray auto trail, adventures calling, hit the trail. Six wheels are turning on the road, lightening up our heavy load, lightening up our heavy load.
Good morning everybody and welcome to another video. Today, we're actually leaving today, but we are at Wells Touring Park in Somerset. Adults only. We're on our way to Thruxton for the Van Love 26 Festival. So we're leaving here today and going to Salisbury Hillside campsite for 2 nights. But it's been good. So we're here. We're on pitch 28, fairly large pitch, plenty of space at the back. A good size pitch left and right. It's got water, it's got drainage, and it's not bad at all. So we paid £44 a night for this site. It's quite expensive, but it is down south after all. Anyway, as I say, we're on pitch 28. Starlink's out, we're getting about 250 megabits a second. As you can see, it's a good sized site. As it's adults only, so no children, very quiet. People here, mostly caravans, couple of camper vans, couple of motorhomes. Up this side, there's all around here, all the way around to this side, the toilet blocks here, which I'll show you now. We've not seen many people, to be fair, but then we've not been here. We walked to Wells. Just look at this. So you've got book and DVD exchange, plenty of those in there. So if you need anything on a night, you can just come and borrow those and put other stuff back in there if you need to. So as I was saying, we went the first night we got here, which was what we're on today. We're on Tuesday, so Sunday we came here. We walked into Wells, which was quite nice, 25-minute walk. And then yesterday, Monday, we got the bus to Weston Super Mare. Now, I'll probably put some pictures in and some bits of videos that we took at Weston Super Mare and at Wells.
Let's go out and take a ride out into the countryside. Start the car and on our way. We're playing outside in the sun, throwing hoops and having fun. Gonna have a sunshine day. Sunshine days and starry nights. With you everything feels right. Hand in hand we'll find our way in our endless sunshine day. Drinking homemade lemonade, lying in the grass and shade. I think maybe you're the one. We're watching boats with swaying masts while the clouds go sailing past. We fell in love beneath the sun. Sunshine days and starry.
Which was quite interesting. And then you can see that. But for the moment, let's continue down here. So there's more pictures down here. There's holiday park sort of lodges down that side. Bulls here, which is quite impressive. And then here's a toilet block. So you've got, it says there, club Wi-Fi. So you can use club Wi-Fi if you want, but I think it's expensive. So we've got pot wash on this side. And then you've got clothes wash here. And then in here, you've got the laundrette. So you've got the laundrette and you've got the information room. An iron and then washing machine. So £5 for tokens for the wash. As it says there, you don't need to put washing powder in. The washing powder is included. And then £1 for the tumble dry. Now, I don't know how long that takes. So we haven't used that, but we've used this twice. We've had a tenner's worth of washing. It was really good. The weather's been nice. We've dried it out. So it's good. Good to know that there's washing machines on site and they work quite well. A map outside of the area. So we are here. There's Wells that you walk into. You walk down the main road, 25 minutes into Wells, and then you've got Wookey Hole this way, and then up here you've got Cheddar Gorge. So you can go in and drive the car if you brought a tow car, and then this way is Weston Super Mare. So we went that way on the bus, walked it that way. Not been to Cheddar Gorge this time because we went there over a decade ago. I don't think anything's changed. And then round this side, you've got 2 chemical disposal points. Pretty good. Drying in case you want to dry your washing, but we've put our own little portable one of these out. And then round this side, you have got the ladies, the disabled, which is open when they're cleaning. And you've got the gents. So let's see whether there's anybody in here. I won't be talking, and also in here we have got music playing, so I might have to mute this bit. Morning. And then we come back up this way. So more pictures up there. As you can see, it's quite empty. We've got quite a few pictures that are blank and not being used. Very much like Back of Beyond. I think Back of Beyond had a stag. So we've got 2 horses here. We have a quick walk down here. So when we walked to the bus stop yesterday, all these pictures here were empty, apart from this one. So there's loads of people turned up on the day that we leave, which is typical, I suppose, but you know, you can't expect there to be a lot of people here. So they have a variety of sites, pitches, gravel, tarmac. They don't have any grass pitches, I don't think, which makes sense because it's a touring park, not an actual camping park. It's a good variety of vans here, quite some older ones, some newish ones. That's quite cute. It's a tiny little A-class, look at that. Wow. That's unusual to see. You don't often get them that small, do you, in A-classes? Oh well. And then a strange pitch there that's got 4 power sockets on it. Don't know why that is, because you never get 4 vans on there, would you? Anyway, come down here. These are either you can own these or you can rent them, and this one's for sale. We've not looked in it, but I'm sure it's a good value. So there's the one that's very much like Back of Beyond again. And there's quite a few of these. It's very animal oriented around here. So small car park there for people staying in the lodges. You have the entrance coming up here, recycling point, The green room is the parcels and posts, so you can have parcels delivered, I would imagine. Grey waste disposal there, service point. And then here we have main reception and a gym, bar and a cafe. So what we've got here is there is a little like restaurant-y type Pizza Hut there, the hot box, and then here you got reception, and then here you have got, this is the pizza place and the pastries. So as you can see, we are 5-star AA Caravan and Camping, and they do those sorts of pastries and danishes. This is the 1413 lounge, the 1413 lounge. You can sit in there, you can have beers outside. I think it is licensed, yeah. They have the Evilu rum, which is the blue van there, is the Evilu. And you can also sit out here and have pizzas and things at the hot box, and they do fresh coffee on a coffee machine. And then up there is more static caravans, not static, it's more like lodges. Yeah, so it's, I mean, the road is noisy when there's a lot of cars on it, but if there's 1 or 2 cars on it, it's pretty quiet. And then what have you got here? Okay, so you can hire cars. That's quite cool. You got all your details. So the 126 here is what we got into Weston Super Mare, and then the 126 from Weston Super Mare to Wells the opposite way, and they're your times. So we got, what did we get? Let's have a see. Now you see these have changed now. So our bus was 11:15 going to Weston Super Mare. Coming back was 4:10, not 3:10. So that's changed since this was printed. And it tells you all the routes that you can do, where the walks are, the Heritage Trail. So there's plenty of information to keep you going. And then this side we've got the gorges, the cider farms, see Bishop's Palace. That was quite cool. We had a walk around there, but it was expensive to get into the cathedral, so we didn't bother. It's like £17.50 a piece, and we didn't have much time, to be fair, because it was Sunday and everything was closing. And there again is the same map that is in the the same map that's in the toilet block and the laundrette block. So there we are there, just at Haybridge. I mean, you can walk it to Wookey Hole, and as I say, we went to Wookey Hole, I don't know, maybe 20 years ago, possibly, maybe a bit less than that, 15 maybe, but a long time ago, and it was quite good then. So this is it. This is Wells Touring Park, adults only. Expensive for northern prices, but for south prices, I suppose, £44 a night. Peak season, summer season is probably about right. So we're not complaining. We're here for 2 days. This is the final day. As I say, this is Tuesday. We have been here since the Sunday. We're leaving today for Salisbury Hillside Caravan and Motorhome Club campsite, where we're going to spend 2 days before we go to Thruxton Raceway Circuit for the Van Love 26 Festival. So by the time this video goes out, we'll have done that, because I'm quite behind on all my videos now. I'm being very lazy, doing Facebook instead of YouTube. My bad, but I'm going to try and fix that and hopefully upload a load of videos in one go. But anyway, enough waffle now. I'm just walking back up to the pitch. As you can see, there's lots of motorhomes, lots of caravans, lots of people with been here for a while with their awnings out. It does seem to be quite a popular site, which is good, because, you know, now it's coming to summer, we need people who's going out in the vans and the cars. It's uphill, that's a bit exhausting. Anyway, here we go, back to pitch 28. So I need to bring everything in now, the water pipe, the grey waste, get the car done, and then get off to Salisbury Hillside campsite. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.